All right, check it out. I got this old school bead breaker here. I just did it. It was the first time I used it, so I didn't want to have the camera out talking about this, how you use it, and I didn't know. But yeah, it's got different settings. I had to move it up some. But yeah, that was super easy. I just got it up in there. Oh. Of course, when you use two hands, it can help. But you guys know I'm filming, so I just got it up in there, and then I was standing on it, holding this one, holding this handle with my right hand, and then pushing down on it. It broke it. So what I'm doing this for is, it has no valve stem. I got this from Pick and Pull on a sales day. It didn't have a valve stem in it. I didn't want to have to take it to a tire shop just for that. And for taking off tires in the future, I don't want to pay anyone anything anymore for if I don't have to. Even putting them on, I might get a, always wanted a tire machine, so. My Caprice has a flat, it keeps going bad. So hopefully I could just sneak in a valve stem here. I'll probably have to get some crowbars out and find a valve stem, but I can get in there now. At least I should be able to. So there's that. So check it out. Ken tool, Akron, Ohio. Yep, it worked good. I like it. Old school manual stuff. So I'll probably get some more stuff like that soon. Maybe like a tire changer, or who knows what. But there might be a lot I could do with this that I'm not realizing. So there's that. All right. Doing it myself out here, Mike. Yeah, I don't gotta go to a tire shop now. I'll probably just take a valve stem out of one of these junk rims or tires. If I don't have one, I'm gonna go look. All right, it's a couple days later. I'm back. I got some valve stems. I got them off eBay for like, I don't know, like $5, $7, something like that. I got like 50 of them. I only need one. It wasn't really possible to, I mean, it's probably possible to pull one out of a used tire, but I was thinking, why? If I was in a jam, I guess I could have. But I felt like most of them were about to break if I tried to pull them out. Because once they go in, they're kind of like staying in. So I should be able to just lean, should be able to just kneel on this, or I had a pry bar before, didn't I? I guess I should get that. Well, I don't like editing videos, but now I probably have to, but probably not. Yeah, probably. Anyway, let's get it. I might need more pry bars. There's like a way you could do it. It'd be helpful if I could put this down somewhere. I need to put my weight on it. I just don't feel like it, kind of. So I'm just gonna push into it like this. That did it. I'm just lazy right now. I don't feel like putting all my weight into this. I feel like I should just be able to push it up in here now. All right, so when you slide it underneath, just pull up on it good, and then just pull it up and you'll get it. You gotta use some effort. They make a tool that you can do. You screw it on and just pull on it, but I mean, you can make your own tool if you wanted to out of a valve stem top and a vice grip. So yeah, look at that. That's what I'm talking about. No tire shop involved. I'm about to have a tire. Look at that grip. What? Oh shit. That's a grip right there. Yeah, I'm liking that. That's nice and new. Well, until I touched it. Now I just gotta air up the air compressor, which I'm probably not gonna do right now. And put some air into it, and I'll probably have to lean on it some to get that lip. I can't think right now. Yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna get the air out. And while I got this off, I did it already, but there was like some rust on the side. You know, you want it to seal good, even if you're doing it at home. Probably especially if you're doing it at home. So just get it clean if you can. You're not gonna be able to clean this part later, so you see it has some rust right there, and that rust was on the tire. Sometimes that can make it unhappy, but you know, just to do things correctly, I'm gonna clean it there while I can, so it's not too major. Just about ready for air. Alright, this didn't work with this tool. I'm gonna use that one, and I'm gonna take the inside of this valve stem off with this tool right here, which you can get on eBay for pretty cheap, like $1, $3 or something. Just depends where you buy it from. So there's the inside of the valve stem, and I think that they usually have a special. Alright, so sorry you guys weren't able to see that. This, I just got frustrated because like this attachment, I swear I've been using this for like a million years and I never had a problem putting it on here. Now it won't go on here. It's probably another one that got switched somehow, or my brother switched the end or something. Someone did something. Anyway, it was still blowing, but I had to hold it together. So I had a massive leak. But it was enough to get, you can see the air was still coming out. It's coming out heavy there, so I just put it in. It's seated, but I'll do it again just so you guys can see. Well, it worked. So you can see the air went in it. Anyway, that popped it on easy because, you know, usually there's a special tool you can use for this, but you know, we're using everything. I'm using as free as I can get, and if I can use my imagination to fix something, that's how I'm gonna do it. So I didn't feel like finding this right attachment right at the moment, because whenever I try to do something that's supposed to be easy, it turns into like some 5-hour job. So now that's in, I'm good. I do gotta say that I don't at all trust this meter, so I use another one. But you guys can see I got the tire on there. And now I can just fill it up with air. And now I can slap it on my car. Yeah. I got a tire with some grip on it for once. So yeah, it's gonna need some more air, but you guys get the point. I'm not gonna keep you here all day. So I'm gonna just keep going at that. But yeah, one of these, super cool to have. Has different sizes. Sorry, my hands are so dirty. You know how we do it. All right, so yeah, I'm trying to avoid the rim shop as much as I can. And there's also a tool that's out there that you can put these in without taking the tire off, like, so you don't even have to do that. But I don't have that tool, but I'm about to get one, or I'm about to make one. So yeah, I'm about to slap this tire on in a little bit. Mike, I'm out here doing it the freeway, right near the freeway. All right, that's how my battery's about to die, but that's how much I had to get rid of this tire. See, I got all these motors. It's a struggle, and it's on this side. Yeah, no jack stand, you feel me? Professional. I'm not gonna get under it though, but I had to get that tire off. But anyway, I'm about to put this one on. It's nothing really to see, but me just trapped against the fence trying to put a tire on. So actually probably pretty entertaining, but I think you guys just have to use your imagination. Or, oops. Yeah, we gotta put the tire through the motors. That's called dedication. That's how bad I want this tire on. I'm so tired of coming out here and seeing it all flat. It's not going anywhere though. It's still not going anywhere. Yeah, I'm real close to the fence. Fun times. Actually, I do think it's pretty fun. Until it falls on me. This is such a weird angle that I'm at here. I'm sure you guys can't really see anything. There it is. We're in the game. Yeah, usually I wear gloves and stuff, but I'm not really working on cars at the moment, but I seem to be working on a car at the moment. It was one of those things, like I just had just started doing it. Now here I am, and it's done. Finally. Oh, that's about it. I'm gonna tighten these things up. Should probably just grab the wrench. But there it is, Mike, I'm out here. I'll be back. Oh yeah, there it is. That's looking like a box Chev, huh? Yeah.